How to complete hard missions in Gunship Battle. First of all, open the game and go to the episode section where you will find missions including the harder ones that give higher rewards. Before starting, check the mission objectives carefully. Hard missions often require destroying stronger enemies, surviving longer, or completing within a strict time limit. Knowing the objective helps you plan better. Make sure to use an upgraded helicopter, improve weapons for stronger firepower, engines for speed, and armor for durability. A fully upgraded helicopter gives you a big advantage in hard missions. During the mission, use cover and movement wisely. Don't just fly straight into enemy fire. Keep moving, dodge attacks, and use rockets and missiles to take down tougher enemies. Focus on completing objectives first rather than chasing every enemy. If you are struggling, replay easier missions to earn more coins and gold. Then use them to upgrade your helicopter before attempting the hard mission again. Finally, once you succeed, collect all the rewards. Hard missions usually give more coins, gold, and experience points, making them worth the effort. Now you know how to complete hard missions in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.